welcome, guys. So I don't know what you guys think about life, right? But sometimes I feel like life sucks, right? Because I have some job that I don't want to do, or I have some job and I try to do it, but it sucks, right? So, so somehow like when I film a video about a calculus, maybe hope you guys can find some peace, right? Although things like that, there's no peace here, right? But yeah, hopefully you guys can find some peace when you do the simple calculus. Okay, so today we are just trying to solve this one. Uh, okay, so q should not be zero, right? P should not be zero. Okay, so I think one can just easily write this as this one, right? So just right. So basically, I'll just write it as right tangent ax as a sine p ax divided by cosine ax. Okay. So somehow we get this right, and so the key strategy is that you know the derivative of this is q cosine ax minus p sine ax and then like a, right? So if you want to guess, right, you will write as this. Because this is derivative respect and there's a here and plus something, right? You try to write it, but there may be some coefficient here. So let's say this coefficient alpha and this is beta. Okay, so that means what? That means I can write it as this q sine ax plus b cosine ax, right? And alpha a q cosine ax minus alpha a p sine ax plus, right? Just write down, so it's p beta q sine ax plus beta p cosine ax, and this should be cosine, right? So this should be cosine. So this tells me that alpha a q plus beta beta q, so beta p should be 1, and then minus alpha ap plus beta q should be 0, right? So basically this is a cosine term and this is sine term. Okay, so I can write this term as alpha ap equals to beta q. So I want to solve maybe alpha, right? So alpha is beta q divided by ap. So I put in here, so basically it's a q beta q a p plus beta p equals to 1. Okay, so beta q square, so a take 10 cancel, p plus beta p equals to 1. Okay, so it's very happy that we find the beta is p square, it's p divided by p square plus q square, and what is a? What is alpha, right? So let me just see. So alpha is qa p square plus q square. Okay, so then we can put it back, right? Basically, it tells you that this term is basically qa q sine plus p cosine, q cosine minus p sine plus p square q square. Sorry, there's a p square q square here. Okay, so then you just do the integration for both sides, and this term give you this term, right? And this one, just I already said, is beta p square plus q square q, right? And this is derivative so long q sine ax plus b cosine ax. Okay, so that's it. So basically we just use the partial fraction and solve some unknown coefficient, and that's it. Okay, now I will see you guys in the next videos, and hope you guys life is okay, not just like me sucks, right? Bye.